This is the Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner Refill in the scent Cedar Wood. What's great about this product is it's 128 ounces and super simple to put back into my mop. First, I press the gray button, which releases the bottle. Then, I twist off the top to open it. I like to fill my bottle to the top even though I get multiple uses out of it. Once it's filled, I twist back on the top and make sure that there's a clicking noise which locks it into place. This cleaner is a water-based formula, so even if I spill a little, it's okay. Once everything is filled up and good to go, the last step is to just snap the bottle back onto the mop. And then you're good to go.